Hi everybody, this is Crystal. We are on the Carnival Mardi Gras. This is a room tour of the Havana area. We have an interior room, 8295 on the 8th floor. Let's go in and take a look. These are touch cards. Hi everybody, welcome to the room tour. Let's give this thing a look. This is going to be our interior room. This first cabinet is going to have a full-length mirror. It's going to have a drop-down shelf area. This is going to have our book bags right now. This next area is going to be a full-length and a shirt area, the room safe, and the pull-out drawers, which is going to be different on this type of interior room, both top and bottom there. As we go around, this is going to actually be your makeup or desk area. This is where you would put your makeup on with the lighting. No regular stool. This is actually a storage bin that rolls around. There's going to be 4 USB outlets and 3 standard plugs. You're going to have your shelving to put some accessories, your TV, your glass, which is very nice, where you can see through fridge. This room is actually set up in a Cuban style. That's why it's called a Havana. And we have this with a king size setup. Not sure if it would even work for a twin, so. This is going to be our bathroom in the Havana. This is going to have a glass shower. Again, more shelving. Makeup mirror in here as well. There is space underneath to put things and shelves underneath. So this has a lot of room in the Havana suite. And again, this is a room tour for an interior room, 8th floor, Mardi Gras, 8295. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe, and have a good day. Bye.